What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. In today's video, the one thing that we're going to cover is what is the best online business for beginners. Now, everybody has their opinion, and today I'm going to give you my opinion as what is the best business, but also I'm going to give you tools that are going to help you build and establish a business that you can scale, run, and hopefully retire off of. So, if you're ready, the whole reason why you're here is to find out what is the best online business for beginners, first thing you gotta do, the very first thing, you have to hit that like button. Hit that like button. Let's start with the video. Alright, so in just a second, I'm going to show you, in my opinion, what is the best online business for beginners. But first, I want to tell you something. I want to tell you a little secret, be 100% transparent with you guys right now. Everybody has their opinion as to what is the best. Now, I'm going to give you my opinion. And this is just one opinion, but you can go talk to Joe Schmo down the street. You can go talk to your lawyer, your lady friend, your colleagues at school, whoever, and everybody has their opinion, their say as to what is the best business. But I want to tell you and be 100% transparent, absolute truth. Okay, the best business is not necessarily the best business for Joe Schmo. The best business out there is not necessarily the best business for your cousin Sally. Okay? Everybody's different. Everybody has different skill sets, different wants, different goals. So because of that, every business out there could be a great business, but it may not be the best business for you. So I have something for you that you need to see. Right here, this is called 30 days. This is called the 30-day challenge. Now, it really doesn't take 30 days. It's actually a 3-day online summit. Absolutely free. Okay, I'll put a link to this down in the description box below. But what this was put on by Russell Brunson. He's the founder of ClickFunnels. Okay, a very good entrepreneur, business person, and a marketer. But what he did is he asked a bunch of different entrepreneurs, just like you and I, what would you do if you suddenly lost everything, and you had no money, you didn't have your name, didn't have your reputation? Well, in here, and he asked a bunch of people, I think like 30 people that are 2 Comma Club members, which means they've made over $1 million by selling coaching, courses, services, software, membership sites, just different things, e-commerce products, physical products, digital products, so on and so forth. But the reason why I'm showing you this, and the reason why I'm telling you you need to go and sign up for this, number one, it's absolutely free. Number two, you're going to learn from 30 different people, and it takes, again, 3 days. It's not 3 full days. It's a 3-day summit, and you're gonna get everything online. So, cool part about this is you get all these different people's interviews and their answers as to what would they do if they suddenly lost everything, had no money, nobody knew their name, they didn't have their network, they had to start from ground zero. Okay, and all these people answer that in very good detail. So, the reason why I'm telling you this is because you can use this to figure out what is the best online business for you. I know so many people that have watched my videos and they're like, that's great, I could get into affiliate marketing, but I don't really have a passion for that. I'd rather do something with with people and teaching them something, maybe as a consultant or a coach. Well, that's what the 30-day challenge is kind of for. Is it opens up your eyes, gives you new possibilities, new options as to what is a great business, but not only what is a great one, what is the best one for you. So it really gives you options as to what you should do or the steps you should take to get there. So if you're not sure what kind of business to run, or you're not sure that the business you're currently running is the best one for you, I highly recommend you go check that out. Again, I'll put a link to that. It is absolutely free. It's down in the description box below. But let me answer this question, okay? Because I know you didn't come here just for me to say, hey, go here and go, read or see all these people's interviews and their videos and their answers. What you're here for is to figure out really what is the best online business for beginners. Now, I want to answer this, okay? What I would do if I was just starting out, had no money, nobody knew my name, I didn't have a network, what would I do? Okay, my answer, okay? What I would do is I would create a service business. And I'm not talking about going and mowing somebody's lawn or going and washing their windows. I'm talking about an online service that I could perform for anybody in the world. Okay? Now, what would I do and what would the platform be that I target? Well, a lot of people have Instagram accounts, whether you're a professional, okay, you are, you just, Sally from down the street that runs a daycare center, or you're, Susie that just wants to be famous on Instagram. Everybody seems to have an Instagram account, but not everybody has those constantly new posts going up every single day. But why is that? The number one reason why I've noticed so many people don't have new posts going up every single day is they're busy. They don't have time to do it. So that's where you come in. This right here is not my page, okay? I'm just going to tell you that right now. It's not my page, okay? But this page right here is pretty much the motivation for me actually creating this video. Here's the reason why. Somebody approached me through Instagram and asked, do I still create Instagram posts for other people? And the answer is yes, I do. Okay, I have a company that's one of the things we do, is we go and do all their posts. We do a lot of their stories. Okay, we help them with their Instagram marketing and kind of go that route. Okay, that's one thing we do. But one thing you can do is, what if you could create this exact post or one very similar to it, okay, and create that for a client? And I guarantee you a client will pay for this, okay? But I took, okay, from Young Hustlers, I took kind of the layouts of some of these, okay, and they take about 8 minutes to do, and if I charge about $5, okay, and actually I don't really do it myself, just be 100% transparent. I pay somebody to do it, and he only charges $3 to do it, so he does all this for $3 and I sell him for $5. I make about $2 profit, and I never have to do anything, okay? Look at this. Over on Fiverr, Fiverr.com, you can see it right here. Okay, look at this. I will create 5 unique and modern Instagram posts for $60. They're selling them for $12 a piece. Okay, they are selling them. Okay, look at that. 4.9 star, 63 reviews. Okay, I will do stylish and modern Instagram post design, starting at 15 bucks. I will create 9 awesome Instagram post designs, starting at $15. Not really worth it, but you get the point, you get the idea. People are paying to have somebody else create an Instagram post for them, and that could be you. So I know what you're thinking. Okay, that's great, but how do I go and create a business using this strategy? Well, the first thing you need to do, you need to come to the understanding that it is not about reaching out to the biggest Instagram influencers out there. It's not about that. It's about finding an Instagram account that is not posting as regularly as they should or as they maybe want to, but figuring out, are they just copying posts and pasting it over to their page? Some people do, and it works. Some people will go and create just this great graphic and they'll post on their account, and that's awesome. But the problem is it takes a lot of time. Is it worth it for them to create that type of content, to turn on their computer, create some new content, and then post it? Is it worth them for them to take 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, or an hour to create that one post? Maybe it is, but in most cases it isn't, because you could charge that same person $5, $10, $15 a post and make some money, right? So here's what you do. Let me show you. Say we come to Instagram, okay? I'm going to type in, let's say, let's do yoga. Let's do yoga, okay? Let's do yoga poses right there. There we go. Let's go to yoga poses and let's just see. Look at this one right here, okay? This one right here, how to practice yoga. I'm going to click on that. Now, this is going to be an example, okay? I'm not saying go after this person because they have almost 1 million followers, but what I would do here, and you could go after this person, go for it, if you want to. What I would do here is I'm going to look at this, okay? Yoga for Anxiety, okay? Pretty cool, by Grounded Panda. Go through each pose slowly using your breath, okay? And you see the name, you see the pose, okay? There you go. Pretty cool, right? Well, what if they don't have time to create that, okay? What if it's not just for anxiety? Yoga for anxiety, yoga for stress, yoga for, I don't know, I don't do yoga, but yoga for, motivation, yoga for weight loss. I have no idea, okay? But what would you do? You just create them, create something similar to this. This is what you should do. Or a 5-minute yoga core. Okay, cool. And there you go. Well, I wouldn't do a video, but I wouldn't go that far. But you get the idea. Okay. 11 postures to stretch and unwind. Okay, pretty cool. And they're just a bunch of little images. Okay, all put into a post. That's how simple this is. How long do you think it would take to do this? Okay, to take all these different images, put them on there. It might take a little bit. So is this person though? Is this actually the lady that's doing it? Runs this account? I have no idea. It might be. If it is, cool. She's doing all her stuff. Awesome. But I try to make something different. Okay, I try to make something a little bit unique. Something that you can sell, something that's going to take you, 10 minutes to do. You can make $5, $10, maybe $15 or more. Because think about it. If it takes you only 10 minutes to do it, and you make $10 off this one post, how much do you make an hour? Yeah, $60 in an hour. What job are you currently doing where you're making more than $60 an hour? If you have something that you're doing, let me know down in the comment section below. Let other people know as well, because that might be something that's for them. Okay, making $60 an hour, that's pretty good. For something that's new as a beginner to make money online, $6 an hour is pretty good. Okay, so let me ask you one last thing. Okay, if this is not the best business for you, okay, let me know down in the comment section. What kind of business are you looking for? Something that is less hands-on, something where you can use money to make money, something where maybe you are going to build your own website, something off social media, no Facebook, no Instagram, no YouTube. What is it? Let me know your ideal, online business. What is it? Let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll help you out, help you figure out what it is that you should be doing and kind of how to get there, right? But like I said earlier in this video, if you enjoy these types of videos, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. I'll start creating more videos on the new and best online businesses for beginners. But just like that, this video is over, all right? So if you haven't yet subscribed, go subscribe now. Click that notification button so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.